If your compliance process still relies on spreadsheets, your audit preparation takes far more effort than it should. Not because the work isn't getting done, but because you have information scattered across spreadsheets, drives, emails, and disconnected systems. So when teams need to prove what was completed, who approved it, and what issues were resolved, they're left chasing updates and trying to piece information together. And unfortunately for many businesses, that becomes a recurring cycle. So in this video, I want to show you how to centralize that process using a secure, compliant-ready platform that was designed to bring visibility, structure, and accountability all into one place. Hi there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we have helped hundreds of businesses streamline and automate their operations using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. Now, before we go any further, I want to make one thing clear. There is nothing wrong with spreadsheets. For many businesses, they are the natural starting point because they're quick to set up, they are flexible, and they are familiar to everyone involved. The challenge starts when your business scales. More departments become involved, more compliance requirements need to be tracked, more stakeholders need visibility into what is happening, and over time, processes that once felt manageable become increasingly difficult to maintain. Eventually, preparing for your audits and compliance reviews, it requires far more coordination than it once did or should. So what we are looking at today is how you can centralize those workflows inside a SmartSuite solution, and specifically, how you and your team can keep track of compliance activity, stay aligned across departments, maintain visibility into outstanding work, and reduce the operational overhead surrounding audits and compliance reviews. So let's jump into the system. What you're looking at here is a centralized workspace built inside SmartSuite. And instead of managing compliance activities across disconnected tools, everything is organized and tracked in this one place. Straight away, you can see the current status of work, an audit timeline, a deeper look into audit plans, schedules, and time resources, the things that still need attention, and where potential bottlenecks may exist. So rather than relying on manual follow-ups or version control between spreadsheets, teams have a shared operational view of the process. And once everything becomes centralized in a place like this, it becomes far easier to understand where things stand. You can quickly identify what audits are currently in progress, which activities are overdue, where approvals are still pending, and which areas may require additional attention. Now, that might sound simple at first, but operationally, that makes a huge difference. Because one of the biggest limitations with spreadsheet-based processes is that visibility usually relies on manually communicating updates. Now, before we continue, let's give some context on what you are seeing. Everything, the workflow, the system has been built inside of SmartSuite. The build has been accomplished through their audit management template. And this is really where platforms like SmartSuite start making a lot more sense operationally. Because once compliance workflows start involving multiple departments, documentation, approvals, stages, well, managing all of this in a spreadsheet becomes difficult. You're unable to manage consistency, and you should begin relying on a centralized platform like SmartSuite. I'll leave links to both SmartSuite and the audit management template in the description below, so go ahead and check those out if you are eager to explore more. Now, if we move deeper into the workflow itself, this is where teams can start connecting activity, documentation, follow-up actions, and supporting evidence directly to each process. So instead of storing information across shared files, folders, or spreadsheets, everything stays attached to the workflow itself. And that becomes incredibly useful during audits or compliance reviews because your team can quickly see what was completed, who reviewed it, when updates were made, and whether follow-up actions were resolved. All of that directly inside the same system. And visibility becomes even more important once you start moving into audit planning and scheduling. Because instead of managing timelines across multiple spreadsheets and trackers, teams can see the entire audit schedule visually inside the same system. So here, for example, we can see active audits, planned audits, and the audit categories. We also have a timeline view of our year, what's to come, what's happening, as well as progress. Now, alongside scheduling, teams can also track audit progress depending on the category and workflow. So instead of manually preparing status reports before a meeting or compliance review, all of that information can be found front and center in the same system. And this becomes especially valuable for leadership or decision makers that need to have a high level view of the metrics and stats at an easy glance. That way, they can quickly understand which audits are progressing normally, which areas may require attention, and how activity is progressing across internal, compliance, external, or vendor audit programs. Now, if we drill into one of these audits, this is where teams can actually centralize the operational workflow behind the audit itself. So instead of relying on spreadsheets, email threads, communication, and shared folders separately, teams are required to keep documentation, evidence, updates, assignments, approvals, review activity, follow-up actions, all historical records connected directly to the audit workflow itself. And operationally, that makes a huge difference because processes are no longer dependent on people remembering where things were at or where they are stored or manually updating different systems. The workflow itself starts enforcing structure, accountability, and consistency across the process. And once everything is centralized like this, what we see here, well, audit preparation becomes significantly easier because teams are no longer reconstructing information manually before reviews or reporting deadlines. Now, once audits have been planned and structured, teams can move into the execution and procedure part of the workflow. One of the biggest operational advantages of moving away from spreadsheets to a centralized operating system like SmartSuite is the ability to standardize how those execution and procedures are actually performed across the organization. So instead of every department handling reviews differently, teams can create structured audit procedures with assigned ownership, defined objectives, documented testing steps, real steps, and evaluation requirements, all directly inside the workflow itself. It's a no-brainer. And if we open one of these procedures, you can see the level of structure teams can build around the process. The procedure owner is clearly assigned, our status is tracked, the testing approach is documented, sample sizes are defined, and the exact review steps are standardized directly inside the procedure itself. So instead of relying on informal processes or tribal knowledge, teams have a repeatable framework for how audits should actually be executed. And operationally, this becomes incredibly important as organizations and businesses scale, because consistency is usually one of the first things that spreadsheets struggle with. Different departments start documenting different things. Different reviewers follow different processes, and over time, audit quality becomes harder to maintain consistently across the business. Whereas here in our system, organizations can create much more structured and repeatable operational workflows. And your team has no excuse in not following those procedures. Now, let's be honest, audits rarely end with everything passing perfectly. There are usually findings, follow-up actions, remediation requirements, and operational issues that still need to be addressed. And this is another area where a centralized operations system becomes easier to manage than a spreadsheet. Alongside procedures and audit workflows, teams also need a structured way to manage supporting evidence. And this is another area where spreadsheet-based processes usually become too difficult to maintain over time, because often evidence ends up scattered across your shared drives, your spreadsheets, your emails, screenshots, exported files, and of course, disconnected systems, which makes audit preparation significantly more time consuming than it needs to be. Whereas here, we have our evidence collection and it's managed directly inside the workflow, the system itself. So the team can track requested evidence, submitted evidence, review status, attached documents, and completion progress, all from within the same operational system without manually chasing up across multiple departments or tools. Spreadsheets can definitely track that a document exists, but it really can't maintain the workflow surrounding that document. Whereas here, the evidence itself becomes part of the operational process, requested, reviewed, approved, tracked, and historically connected back to the audit itself. And once all of this activity is centralized, leadership teams also gain a much clearer operational view of overall compliance processes. Teams can now quickly understand which audits are on track, where procedures are still outstanding, which evidence requests are incomplete, and which operational areas may require additional attention. All of that in real time in the very one system. And this becomes incredibly important as your business scales because the challenge itself isn't in the audit preparation. The challenge is in maintaining visibility, consistency, and accountability across the entire compliance process. With centralized workflows and systems like this, organizations can manage audit planning, procedures, evidence, reviews, and reporting from a single system instead of coordinating everything manually across disconnected tools. Now, if you and your team are looking for something similar to what we just displayed in this video, well, I've left a link in the description of the video where you can reach out to us for a 30-minute free consultation speaking with one of our experts, so book yours today.